Hello viewers and welcome. Today we are taking a look at a set of dry erase markers from Chalkola. And if you're not familiar with Chalkola, they have all sorts of art supplies, all kind of different markers. These are their dry erase markers, but they have paint markers, chalk markers, dot markers, paint and canvases and things like that, all kind of art accessories. So this one comes with 12 different colors, and the box says you get 60 markers, so that's 5 of each of these colors. So you'll get 5 red, 5 black. And let's just test it out on a glass board that actually comes from Chalkola. Let's see, we'll try red and black. So there's the red, it writes nice, straight out of the box, no priming necessary. So this is perfect for somebody who has a dry erase board. One of these glass boards, or if you have a food truck or a coffee shop and you want to switch up your menu, super quick and easy. And like I said, it comes with 60 markers. So let me just give you an idea of what you're getting with this pack. So you're getting all of these. So 60 markers, folks. If you're a student, teacher, professor, have a dry erase board, this will last you a lifetime in markers. Thanks for watching.